First,
Oh, may nagawa lang ano eh. Ito pala yun.
literally, the first floor already got 2 bundles.
They will say, Photoshop. Ate, nakalimutan ko. Ay, ano pala? Try mo ulit.
Yeah, wait lang.
Wala yun. Try mo ulit.
Ba't tinanggal mo?
Parang, ano ba?
Wait lang ako. I am a bumblebee.
Ay!
Wait, let me just... Yeah.
Ba't naman hair?
Wow!
Wala kang kasi.
Wala, malipit ko eh. Yeah, very much.
Oh my God.
First floor. First. My favorite song of the day. My favorite song of the day.
Mag-1 ka.
You? Ba't naman lang siya?
Ay, kasi ano?
Ayoko maging 1 heart. Malipit. Yan. Ano ginagawa? May delta siya.
Kukuha ka naman ng live ko, diba? Diba ka naman? Go.
That's why I don't want to play this one. I'll be.
Ate, kapag ginawa mo,
I'll always be in your
kapag
bed.
nilapin mo sa YouTube, iba no, getting GG tool.
Getting my mom phone.
GG tool!
Getting my favorite phone. Yun.
Ah, yun.
So make sense sa bubukas.
Ayun, gawa mo na yung Mac. Diba Mac yan?
Roll
Big
your
Mac.
bus. Hindi, ano tawag doon? Yung nagbabas. Nakalimutan ko na eh.
So, ako din.
Tapos mo kasi sa...
Pero alam ko lang, gagawin ko lang yun.
Yeah! Malapit na!
Kapag tapos ka na, sabi na yung GTG. Yan, hindi yung GTE. Kapag sinabi mo GTE, ano, get to elevator lang yun.
I swear to God, may nakita ko kanina.
At yung dati, yung GTE, kali ko, go to go. At alam ko na, ano, get to elevator. G, get. T. Kalimutan ko po.
Oh, I can get my baby. No, wait. Listen.
Bro's going to get my Well, I haven't gotten my dream yet.
Si Pebble.
Kukuha, ate,
Mahirap si Pebble.
alam ko. Parang makukuha ko agad si ano, Asto, kasi sa Pebble.
Na-extract baby boy. Yeah, yeah. Oh my God, thank you.
Bro. Ba't kayo, Pen? Hindi ka nagsabi ng sinky. Lawa.
Excuse me. Matay na agad yung iba. 1, 2, 3.
Bad team. Ate, paano yan?
Fine. You're not... Wala pa wala. Yeah! I've got a...
mo magagayan. Habang nalubat. Ay nga, ready! Ay, Roger, yung anak mo. Roger, yung anak mo. Mag-hide ka mga dito. Yung anak mo. Maging alert ka. Yan.
Aray, ba't inaano mo? Inaano mo yan, no?
Yun. Aray! Papatay ka na. Magpapatay ka na.
Hindi, yung mata. Hi.
GTE.
Hindi, magpapakambit mo na ako.
I've got
This video is so short now, okay?
Okay.
2020.
Hi, that means you will have 20 years, 20 good luck years in your life. Oh my god! You can.
Queen.
No GG allowed. GG is not allowed. Ate, no height. Ah? Kali ko yung ano? Me. I'm playing, bro. I'm playing as Gigi. Kala ko floor, pero ano, battery pala, ate. What scraping? Oh my. We lied. You're actually gripping. No! POV lang! POV!
Sino sabi wala?
Sino sabi pangit ka? Ikaw. Parot beat! Bro have... Ay, kali ko med yun? Drawing yun? No. Oh, look, I got this on the eject button. Kasi not lucky. I did. It's pretty a table's famous spell. Nagiyap ka, tingin mo. Ang dami! Oh my goodness, so you're so not lucky. You're so not lucky, bro.
I'm not so lucky right now.
You're so stupid that you
Puro very rare, oh. Very rare, very rare, very rare.
Kasi
Pero mas
mukha mo
maganda
ay
yung-
very rare.
Mama!
Ate, gawa mo yung emote. Yung ano, emote niya. Hindi sticker ah. Tingnan. Mama, where are you? I'm so scared. Di ba tama yun?
Mama, where are you?
Mama.
Isang ton lang tayo, tapos floor 8 na tayo. Ito ko kayo sa voice ganda. Wow.
Ikaw talaga.
Ikaw talaga. Pag nagse-cellphone, hindi maingay. Shut up.
No running. No running.
Meow, meow, meow. Guess who's on? Oh, wait lang. Guess who's on this floor?
It's Shelly, guys.
I told no, you do not get to do that.
It's Jelly, bro.
No.
Stop lying and let me tell the truth. See, guys. Wait lang. Listen mo. See, guys.
Yung pop, yung pop, yung pop, yung pop, yung pop.
That was a long time. Ako na, play. Mas pro ako sa'yo. Tinulungan, di ba kita? Nakamali lang ako kasi para makita ko yung viewers. I'm so scared. Mama, ako na scared. Ayoko, ako na na. Ako na muna. I'm going to copy you. Okay, di ko sasabihin. Wala.
I'm so shiny. Can I please have the phone now?
Mamaya. Kung nakakuha ko ng ano, very rare, ng medkit.
Please get ng very
Takot ako.
ng rare. What? Bigyan mo ako rare, bilis.
No, don't give rare. See? Kapag nakakuha ako ng valve, so next. Mama. Tapos na.
Inumin mo. Masarap. Please tell.
How did you do this, Yata? You're so...
Si ano?
Oh my god, I don't... Oh man, it's close.
Jokes lang si Christine yato mo. Ay, ano?
Okay.
Sabi mo, please, yun ang ganada. No,
Tali mo ha.
alpulin nga yung boy.
Ba't kinapatin na naman?
Busin ko doon.
Laway ko yan. Laway ko yan. Laway ko yan. Me adopting Gifton. Done.
I'm adopting you, Kristen.
Adoptions. Adoption.
Ba't kasi kasama mo siya yata? Doon, mag-best friend sila guys, oh.
Oh, mas ayun.
Kawawa siya. Nakakainis.
Ba't sabi ni Gifted, I don't want to be alone, pero nandiyan naman si Yata. Ate, kita mo?
Let me do it.
Kulang?
Ewan.
Kulang?
Can you please, no? Please, please, please. Oh.